G'day and welcome to the PAMMO Stitch Elements with Jenny Brandis. This video shows the Ulrike Star Spiders element from month 5. The incoming rows are worked as usual with cross, twist, pin, cross, twist, adding 2 twists to the inner leg pairs. Don't forget to work the 2 corner pins that join the foot side. Add 2 twists on the leg pairs. Step 2. Separating the left pairs, working from left to right. Lay the leftmost bobbin out to the side. Each active bobbin will be laid aside to the right of the previous active bobbin. Second left pair. Left bobbin goes under the bobbin to the left and lay it aside to the right of the last worked bobbin. Next pair. The left bobbin goes under, over and is laid aside. The last left bobbin goes to the left, under, over and lay that aside. Step 3. Separating the right 4 pairs. The right bobbin of each of the right pairs are the active bobbins. Using the right bobbin from the centre right pair, it goes over its partner, then under, over and lay it aside. Using the right bobbin from the next pair, over its partner, under, over, under, and it goes there. Using the right bobbin from the next pair, over its partner, under, over, and it goes there. Using the last right bobbin, over its partner, under, over, and under. Put up the pin and tension. Step 4. The left side of the pin. Using the centre left bobbin, working to the left, over, under, and lay aside. Back to the next centre left bobbin, going left with over, under, and lay to the right of the last bobbin. Repeat with the next centre left bobbin. Over, under, and lay to the right of the previous active bobbin. Over, under, and lay aside. Over, under, and lay aside. Over, under, and lay aside before working the last pair with a twist. Now at the right side we use the centre right bobbin and go under, over, and lay the bobbin aside. The remaining bobbins are moved to the right in the same manner but start with over. Over, under, and lay aside. 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 Twist this last pair of bobbins. Bring the 2 centre bobbins up and tension the bobbins ready for working the bottom half. Working from the centre, we are going to weave the left pairs through the right pairs. Take the centre left bobbin, under, over. This brings you to the last right bobbin, making this a pair. Add 2 twists and lay aside. Using the next centre left bobbin, work over, under, add 2 twists and lay that second pair aside. Using the next centre left bobbin, work under, over, add 2 twists and lay the third pair aside. Using the next centre left bobbin, work over, under, and over. Add 2 twists and lay the fourth and last of the right pairs aside. The next centre left bobbin goes under, over, Add 2 twists and lay this left pair aside. The next centre left bobbin goes over, under. Add 2 twists and lay this left pair aside. The next left bobbin goes over the first right bobbin, add 2 twists and lay aside. The last pair, add 2 twists and lay aside. Spend some time here and tension all the pairs. Close the spider with cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Note that as you add the pins, the star spider becomes more defined.